Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle that overheats. There is one thing that you must check if you have an older vehicle or a car that has higher mileage, and we will explain why guys. That could happen really easily, and you may think you have a bad thermostat, radiator fan, water pump, head gasket, and it could be just something simple guys. So we're going to explain what it is. Let's say you drive in town guys and you notice that your radiator fan is running a little bit more often than it should. Your car starts overheating when you drive, especially lower speeds guys. We will explain what can cause that. Okay, simply something that most people will never even think about that, and we want to share our experience so you can avoid mistakes guys, wasting money, and maybe it could be something super simple. Before we start, let me introduce you a little bit to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix almost anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, that's where we get all our tools and parts from. We'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them from. This is guys the vehicle that we'll be demonstrating on. But before we start, let me tell you guys, those are our channels, and if you want to see how to do diagnostics, fixing codes, transmission, engine codes, check Electrical Car Repair Live. Quite helpful information will be shared there. So let's explain now, okay, what we're going to do. We're going to open the hood, and here guys, okay, we were in the process of replacing an AC condenser in this car. We noticed that the radiator fan started running a little bit more often. On hot days even the gauge tries to climb a little bit, especially driving in town, lower speeds. We did some digging around guys. We decided to replace the AC condenser and check the condition of the radiator, and we want to show you that's what we thought it was, and surprise, okay, this is it. That radiator is terrible guys. You can see how plugged it is. So if you come right here, okay, I'm trying to zoom in, that's like a block guys. It will not get any cooling on this area, so probably about 25% of reduced cooling capacity on this vehicle, and some of the ones that we've seen, they're even worse than that. So once in a while, get a water hose, not a power washer but a water hose with a high pressure nozzle, spray through the grill so you can clean the condenser. In some cases you may even want to come from the back side where the radiator fan is, or remove the fan and spray it from the back with the hose and see if that will clean it some more too. And if that doesn't take care of the problem, you might need to remove one of the radiators so you can access it and clean it really good. But this is bad guys. This will cause car to overheat easily. So if you have a higher mileage vehicle, it's very common to do that. Another thing, if you drive country roads mostly guys, okay, you can see we have wheat, we have pollen, we have bushes, all kind of stuff here. Hair, dog hair, I don't know, something like that. So all that is stuck there, will need to be cleaned. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with overheating car. If not, we have a special video that says the top 5 and the top 10 reasons for a car to overheat. Check it out, it's on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.